everyone, this is my from Sisters, and today I'm announcing a new series. The adventure continues. Toy animation. So, I've actually feel like creating my own Tom Friends franchise because it's most likely that creating the actual episode is probably going to stop. So today I'm going to create the very first episode of the Adventure Continues series, the Space Engine, the Streamlined Engine. Do you remember to watch so you can enjoy with the whole story?
Oh, that was a nice juicy fart right there. Tasty.
Oh, sissy.
Yeah.
I love how the farts here. Hey there. Did you know every night I talk screen? My friends and I told stories. The stories about something called the CKR. Well, one day, 2 of its engines arrived. They done so. One of which was Soldor's third magic engine. And I mean third. All aboard for a big adventure! The space engine and the stream. I was on my way to Brendan. I was on my way into Brendan Docks it's a special story. Because both cranes were apparently out of action. As both the dockside cranes were apparently out of action. Rocky was called to unload the special. And Duck was the one who had to take him there. It'll just be in a minute, Thomas. So, somehow a bridge suddenly appeared in the middle of the night. Hello, Blue Tank Engine. Hello. Called the voice. Who was that? Yes. Oh, you'll soon see, Rocky. So I looked up and saw a little magenta tank engine. She had red wheels, it was purple inside, the letter CKR, and mysteriously a pink dome light. I was shocked. Sorry to interrupt, but it's the first time I've seen an engine with a pink dome light. And it's the first time I've been to Sodal. I guess it's a day first for both of us. Amelia was the new engine was so excited she couldn't stay still. Whoa! Hey, can't you stay still? Sorry, I'm not used to being up in the air. I mean, I am, but not from a hook. How peculiar. Why? Hey. Oh, silly me. Haven't introduced myself properly. I'm Amelia. I'm engine. Oh, you mean? Oh, but no, you're not. We all know Amelia is just a legend that we tell off screen. Oh no, she isn't. Oh yes, she is. Oh no, she isn't. Oh yes, she is. Oh no, she isn't. Wait a minute. This is not a pantomime, you know. Let's get on with it. Alright, I'm taking you to your first job. And I'm Thomas, by the way. Nice to meet you, Thomas. So off I left with Amelia. on the line to Knapford Station. Well, it's tough and packed. Duck and Ryan. My new engine. Welcome to Sodor, Amelia. Thanks. Rocky was asked to unload Amelia from the truck. In time for the first ever job. Her first job was taking a long good spring. Had to divide the good work. And off we left to Vickerstown. Little did I know it, but I was about to find out the truth. I had told all the other engines said, well, this little... I'm not track, sissy! Anyway, this little tank engine over here says she's a space engine. But we all know magic engines are mainly just in legends. Ha! Silly Amelia. Little did I. Meanwhile, while we were delivering our goods work back at the docks, my friend Caitlin was asked to pick up yet another engine called Janine. She was too big for the truck, so they both had to go together alongside. Go to Knapford. No, Sissy! This whole character actually seems bigger than Caitlin in toy form. Well, your first job is to deliver ballots across the island. So Janine had a truck coupled up to her, and off she set for her job. Meanwhile, back with me and Amelia. Little did I know it, I was about to find out the truth. Off we went. So while we were going down the line, no! There's a fallen tree on the tracks! What are we supposed to do? Can't the workmen pick it up? Unfortunately, Amelia, we forgot them. Looks like we're going to be stuck here for a while. But she only meant that to make sense. She was about to reveal the truth. Driver, I think now's the time to prove to someone that they're right. Really? How the weapons? We left them behind, that's why. Okay, here it goes. moment, the tree was on the track. The next, it was lifting up by itself.
Guess the Disney princess.
Yes, so yeah. Well, Sissy, we could do that after the video. Whoa, Amelia, you really are a sex engine. I didn't expect that to be true. Yeah, nobody would have, I guess. It's amazing what you could do with life. Confident. I was even faster than Amelia, so I made it to the destination before she did. Along her own way, however, she met Oliver, who was taking Hasty Hannah out for the day. Both of them were number 11. They decided to have a race to see who was the fastest number 11 on Sodor. Apparently, the CKR starts with the crackle control runaway. We were racing on. However, the trucks got extra troublesome and they were pushing Amelia too fast. Yeah! Right into the ravine. Oh no! I derailed. I didn't even survive an entire first day. Ugh. From lifting all that tree, Amelia said she might need a rest, so she couldn't help herself out. Luckily though, Gorinda, Emily's sister, who isn't supposed to appear until later on, really. Who isn't actually supposed to appear until later on, heard about the situation. I went off to get walkie. Right away, sir. So off Gorinda went, and on to the scene of the accident. Well, now you know the trouble that trucks can cause, right? Yeah. Yeah, I do. So, Amelia soon delivered her goods, like where I was waiting, just in time for a run with her coaches, Mimi and Cracknell, who we will bump into later on. But back with Janine, she only had her first delivery of ballast. And she was delivering ballast across the island. And our last delivery was Mavis. Oh, hey Janine. So you're the new engine everyone's talking about. Well, one of them anyway. I've lost the last delivery of ballast. At least Bill and Ben won't be playing tricks on me. So Janine dropped off the ballast and completed her last delivery just in time for a run with her coaches, Louise and Francis. So here's Louise. No sign of Francis though. There we go. So off Janine went for a run with her coaches Louise and Francis. Earlier along the line, what? There we go. I was worried the video had run out of time there. A new episode? No. It's me, Janine. Yes? Hee hee. Oh! Sorry, guys. Sissy keeps on distracting me. Anyway. Oh, me and Mary had a wonderful fun together. Despite you making a noise throughout it, and she's not even meant to be introduced yet. Anyway. Anyway, that night at Sheds, I told the other engines all about what I'd seen. They all disbelieved me at first. Thomas, I don't think there really is such thing as Amelia the space engine. But when she arrived, the coal had run low. But when she arrived. That's just Rosie repainted again. No, it isn't. So, and the coal hoppers refill by themselves. Oh, they refilled. She really is. The space engine. Oh, we're really sorry for misjudging you in the first place. That's all right. At least now everyone knows why. Now everyone knows. And off Amelia left to spend the night at her place, at her visiting place. It's at Wellsworth. With Edward and Philip. As for Janine, she spent her night at Ulstead Castle. Those are Stephen and Millie and Glyn, even though he doesn't appear on screen. And this marks the end of the episode. Hi there, everybody. I'm Thomas the Tank Engine. Have you ever misjudged somebody before taking the time to get to know them better? I've done that a couple of times. When I first met Terrence, I was mean to him and told him that his wheels were ugly. But he still came to my rescue when I got stuck in the snow. And it turned out his wheels were really useful. Another time, I didn't understand how elephants could possibly be really useful. They're just wild animals. But when I came off the rails in India, an elephant named Trusty Trunky helped me back onto the tracks. When I first met Gustavo, I thought he was bossing me around just like Gordon, when he was really giving me friendly advice. When Sonny first came to Sodor, lots of engines didn't trust him because of something he had done before. But when he saved Diesel, everybody knew that he really was a trustworthy engine. He just needed a second chance. And when I and a bunch of other engines met Amelia, we thought she was just a little tank engine who would get in the way. But when the tree found the tracks, looked up on his own when Amelia was there, we all understood her dome-like sure wasn't it, and Amelia the space engine sure does exist. Remember, before you misjudge someone new, get the time to know them better. They might even become a good friend. Come on, Thomas! It's time to go. See you next time. Beep, beep, beep. And do remember to see me next time as well.